In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure team mood in Slack using Poly. Measuring team sentiment is one of the simplest ways to keep a pulse on morale, especially for remote or distributed teams. A quick anonymous survey can help managers spot burnout, understand how people are feeling, and identify blockers before they turn into bigger problems. Poly is a great option for this inside Slack because it keeps everything in the same place your team already works, and it makes participation fast and easy. Before you begin, it's worth noting that some Slack workspaces allow any user to install apps, while others restrict that permission. If your workspace has tighter controls, you may need a workspace owner or admin to approve the setup so the app is configured properly for everyone. To get started, open the Slack desktop application. In the left-hand sidebar, look for the Apps section. Click Add Apps, or if you don't see it right away, click More, and then Apps. Once you're in the app directory, use the search bar to look for Poly. Find the official Poly app in the results and select Install or Add depending on what your Slack interface shows. This will redirect you to a page in your web browser. On that page, click the green Add to Slack button. You'll then be shown the permissions Poly needs in order to connect with your workspace. Take a moment to review those permissions, and when you're ready, click Allow to finish the installation. After Poly has been added, go back to Slack. Now you'll want to open the team channel where you plan to run your mood survey. Choose the channel your team already uses regularly so it feels natural and easy for people to respond. Once you're inside that channel, click into the message box at the bottom. Type Poly and press Enter. This launches the Poly dashboard directly within Slack and starts the survey creation flow. From here, you're ready to begin building your anonymous team mood survey in the place where your team is most likely to see it and engage with it. A helpful tip as you reach this point is to make sure you're in the correct channel before launching the command, since that keeps the setup aligned with the audience you want to survey. It also helps to communicate clearly to your team that the survey is anonymous, because people are usually more honest when they know their responses can't be traced back to them. That's the complete setup process to get Poly installed and launched in Slack for measuring team mood.